Hey there, welcome back to Palette Life and this is SUMA BABU. Few weeks back I have shared a video regarding my record setting under India Book of Records for making maximum number of oil paintings of an Indian actor. I chose to paint Prabhas. I am a huge fan of him. Those who have not watched that video yet, please go and check that in the description. I'll be sharing the link over there and I'll also share a card somewhere here. I have posted that video in some of Prabhas fans group in Facebook. They have taken that video into a next level. That went viral. Thank you guys for your sincere support. Love you all. Today's video is all about unboxing India Book of Records Achievers Kit. I also got one. This is the package I received. I have not yet opened it. I just wanted to share that happy moment with you all. So let's do unboxing. So this is the box. So happy to see it. See. First thing, I got this badge. So cute. It's really pretty. Nice little brooch. Second one I got is the medal. It's really heavy. So feeling so proud. Third item, I got this recent edition of India Book of Records book. It's of 2021. It is filled with full of details and photos of last year's achievers. So proud, feeling so proud. I don't know what to say. It's good. Finally, I got one iCard. Record holders iCard. It's written my details like SUMA BABU feat achieved is maximum oil paintings of an Indian actor. It's written. Thank you. And the next item is this pen. It's really big size. Nice pattern with golden and black color. There also you can see India Book of Records. You can see its refill. And I have got, I think this is car stickers. I got 2 of them. And finally, my certificate. I'm speaking in the front camera, so you may be finding it in a mirror image. So it's written maximum oil paintings of an Indian actor. The record for making the maximum number of oil paintings of an Indian actor was set by SUMA BABU of Pune, Maharashtra. She has made 86 oil paintings of an Indian actor, Prabhas, who works mainly in Telugu cinema. All the paintings are based on his movie characters as confirmed on August 27, 2021. So, finally, that day also came. I'll show you how to display it. We just have to click a picture for sending it to India Book of Records. So here we got a holder, rubber bands. We can display all the items which has given to us in this, and we have to click a picture, then send it to IBRT. So they'll be publishing that picture in the next edition of India Book of Records. I don't know how much you can see, how much clear it is. Thank you guys. That day also came. And thank you for watching till the end. And hope you like this content. And see you soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself and happy painting.